Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the last seen not showing problem in Truecaller. Now this issue usually happens because of privacy or app settings. So first of all, you need to open your Truecaller application on your phone. Then when you are inside, simply tap on your profile icon. When you go to the settings, look for the option of the privacy center. Now check the last seen option and make sure that it is turned on. If this option is turned off, your last seen will not appear to others. Now, if the issue still persists, you can just simply come here inside your Google Play Store or App Store. Over here in the search bar, simply search for Truecaller app. Once you are able to find the application, if you see the update button over here, simply tap on the option of update in order to update your Truecaller application to the latest version. This particular step is going to refresh the app properly and it will make sure that all of the functions work properly. Now, if the issue still persists, you can go inside the settings of your device. Now, here in the settings, you just have to simply look for the option of permissions. In the permissions, make sure that you have allowed most of the permissions to the Truecaller, otherwise, it won't work properly. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.